to record. Oh, it says that. Hello, parents. I want to show you some strategies that we are learning in class for how to add and subtract using an HTO chart, which stands for hundreds, tens, and ones, and a number line. Some of this can be challenging for students. We're going to need to do some extra practice at home, and I want to make sure you understand how we're learning it in class. So first, if we are adding using an HTO chart, I have the students label ones and tens. In this one, we won't have hundreds, but in later lessons, we will be using our hundreds column as well. So when you add using an HTO chart, you're actually going to be writing and drawing both numbers into the chart. So we're going to write 15 and 41, and we're going to go back and we're going to draw 110 and 5 ones. Okay, now we're going to draw 4 tens and 1 1 and add them up. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5, and we can see that our answer is 56. Okay, and we can check our work to make sure that it matches. Now let me show you how to subtract using the HTO chart. So in this one, you're only going to draw and write the first number in your chart. So again, we have our ones and our tens, so 67. And we'll draw that out. I have 6 tens and 7 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now, since we're subtracting, we're actually going to be taking away the second number. So I tell the students to label their ones and their tens, and we're going to begin by taking away the ones. And I tell them to always take away the ones when we're doing our HTO chart, because once we begin regrouping, if they don't, it will mess it up. So let's mark out 5 ones. 1 2 3 4 5, and circle what's left, and then write 2 because there are 2 left. Now we're going to mark out 3 tens. 1 2 3, circle what's left, and there are 3 tens left, so our answer is 32. We can check our work. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and we can see that our numbers match. Now, the other strategy that we have used for addition and subtraction is the number line. And I told the boys and girls, with the number line, you really have to work hard at keeping your number line and your numbers neat. It is imperative to being able to solve the problem correctly so that you can read what you've written and you can see your numbers and keep track of them. So when we're adding with a number line, the first thing we do is we circle the first number. And we come over here and we write on the left side of our number line, 81. Then we're going to label our ones and our tens. And with our number line, it's easiest for the students if they begin by jumping with the largest place value. So in this case, it's our 10. So we're going to jump 1 10. So we make one hump and we write plus 10. And then I ask them to look at 81 and tell me the number that is in the tens place. And in this case, it's the 8. That is the number that will be going up. So 10 more would be 91. Now we're going to go up 7 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have found through the years that once you make the humps, if you will make the lines underneath to get your humps and your numbers to match up, it really helps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and on this one, we're just going to be counting by 1. So we'll place a plus 1 inside each hump. All right, 91, counting on. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. And we found our answer, 98. All right, the last step that I want to show you is subtraction using the number line. So let's take a look at 38, take away 12. Just like before, the first thing we're going to do is circle the first number. And this time, since we're subtracting and we're doing everything in reverse, we are going to put our 38 on the right side of our number line. Label your ones and your tens. Again, it's easiest if you start with your largest place value. So in this case, that's our tens. So we're going to be going back 1 10. So we make a hump, and this time we're subtracting. So we put minus 10. All right, I ask the children to look at 38 and tell me which number is in the tens place. That's the number that's going to go down. Remember, we're subtracting, so our numbers are getting smaller. So 38 will go down to 28. Right, now we're going to go down 2 ones. 1, 2. And we're going down 1 and count backwards. 28, 27, 26. And we have our answer of 26. So I hope this has helped, as this sheet will be coming home this week. And now that you understand how we're teaching the strategies, it should help whenever you're helping your child at home. Thank you so much for all you do. If you have any questions, just send me a message through Class Dojo. Thank you.